up? I am not sure if I want to vlog this week, but I'll start anyway just in case my weeks gets interesting. Anyway, I was just editing my next video. Right now it's Tuesday today and I just received this box. It's from TBF. It says unbox the 90s and I'm just trying to unbox it right now. So let's see what's inside. Oh yes. Oh, it's an invite. Wow, okay. I'll just see that later on. Later. There are some battery cells. Then there's this box. Eee, thank you. Oh my god, I used to read this. Okay, I'm gonna read that later on. Okay, I don't know what's inside this. Let's open. Okay, you guys are on my editing table right now. I'm just trying to open this box. Oh my god, this phantom. Wow. I'll just open and show you guys. It's so hard to find now. It's basically candy. That is how we used to look cool. Oh, I had this as well. WWF. Oh my god, I had these. Okay, it's annoying now. Okay. Wait, what? Oh my god, look at this pencil. Oh my I need to stop screaming. Look at this. It's that water game. Okay, so you just push this and you have to like put this ring inside. If you are not a 90s kid, you might not know. And the last thing is yeah, it's a Game Boy. We used to call this Game Boy, right? Oh, that's why the batteries. Where are the batteries? Okay. This is the best thing ever. Okay guys, it's 7 right now and I just received this huge box. Okay, let's open this now. Whoa. Wow. Whoa. It's a helium balloon. So yeah, that's there. Then we have a mic. A freaking mic. What am I going to do with this? And then it's just this filling. I didn't carry an umbrella. Like, that's how smart like, I'm still late. I'm stuck in traffic. I should have been there by 7:30. It's 7 right now and I'm still like 55 minutes away according to the Google Maps. So wow, that's great. Okay. Anyway, so I am wearing this dress that I got from Zafoon and this jacket. I don't know where this is from. It's like really old. Like I got it 2 years ago or something. Mostly from Shein or Romeo only something. And I'm wearing white shoes. I am so scared of them getting dirty just because it's raining right now, so I don't want them to get dirty. I was actually planning for a black one, but then it wasn't going well with the whole, you know, like the pastel outfit. Although I'm carrying a black bag, that's okay. So yeah, also yeah, this is like my mouth mask because I'm just trying to save myself from falling sick. That is the update so far. Loving the makeups. I actually love the Smashbox photo finish primer. Like, it's just making my skin look so flawless. Like, look at that. Oh my god, I'm dying. Also, the Benefit Ka brow is making my brows pop and like, wow, I love it. So yeah, anyway, I hope I can vlog there and yeah, I'll see you guys when I reach there now. What is breaking up, you guys? The mess is too damn real. I've been ignoring this since past 3 weeks, I guess. Yeah, since I did the haul and all of that thing. So right now I'm just unpacking from my shoot. After so many hours of working, box is full of clothes, and this box is full of clothes of like maybe some are like giveaways to people who are like not financially stable, and then some are to sell. You guys, guess what I just found? This is so hard to find now. It's like my favoriteest snacks to have. Cheetos masala ball. The quantity is so freaking less now. Yeah, so I'm just gonna eat this and Netflix and chill now.
When love comes in.
You guys, I was not planning to vlog, but then I just did like an impromptu shopping. So I just thought I'll vlog and share the things with you guys, and also I'll combine last week's video, like just few important stuff from last week's video and this week's video, and then I'll just like put it all together and upload it. It's Thursday. Worked on my Friday's video, but then because my lights, like literally there was a spark in my studio light, so I had to stop shooting yesterday, and today I shot in daylight, and it's kind of hard during monsoons because like clouds come and go, and yeah, it's just weird lighting. So I tried, but now again in the evening I couldn't do anything, so I had this work, so I went impromptu shopping all by myself. Kind of proud. Anyway, let's just see what I got. So the main reason why I went there, like you can see, was for this. I am doing a post on Instagram for them, so yeah, I got a lot of that. Then I got Monster Gems. I wanted to try this out. Then I got Waffy. Also I got this for the same Instagram post. Then I got post-its for a video, pencils for a video, this for a house, this just like that. I found it cute and it was just for 200 rupees, so I was like, yeah, Dhwani, get it. Then this is the most exciting thing. These are like ready-made. You just have to heat it in the oven for like 60 seconds. So I got like cheese chili momo. They also had this in pizza, but I love momos and I can make pizza myself, so I got the momos one. I got vegetable chili, cheese chili again, vegetable chili again, and then tandoor paneer. Everything was for 60 rupees, discount again. The next thing, I swear this is the cutest thing ever. I got this succulents. It's like fake plants with concrete. This is so Tumblr, like I can see. Wow. Also there's like my Shein box, please ignore that. So I see like all the LA YouTubers like do such impromptu hauls, and I just felt like one today. So I got 3 of them. This is what the third one looks like. Okay, time to unbox a lot of packages that I received. I shopped a lot from the Amazon Prime sale, so I just thought I'd share the things that I got with you guys. It's the Lenovo power bank. Next box. Oh yes. So I got Connect 4. By the way, I also got Jenga. I already opened it. It came in the afternoon, so yeah, I was not planning to vlog, so got that. Then I got Nivea soft moisturizer. Then I got a hand mixer. Okay guys, it's Saturday today. I was just editing my video. Like I literally have nothing to do. I didn't upload a video yesterday because I couldn't shoot the intro and outro. Also it's like kind of really dark outside, like the clouds come and go, so the daylight sucks. I don't like shadows in my videos, so I avoid that. Anyway, I got 2 parcels. One is this, one is Amazon pantry. So it's a weighing machine, and then we have a big Amazon pantry. This is so heavy. The basic Amazon. I don't know why they send this. Save Earth. Stop using plastic. My god. This huge box, and look at, I thought I ordered a lot of things, I don't even remember, but then no. So it's just house stuff. I don't eat normal rice. I mean, I do eat normal rice, but then I prefer eating brown rice, so I got like this Dawat brown rice. 3 kgs of that, and then I also got this. So this is like very good. And the next 2 things that I got are digestive biscuits. It's made of oats. Healthy stuff. Again, oats with, oh my god, this is so good, you guys. You need to try it, okay? It's oats with chocolate. Okay, I think we can just do this one. You know what I'm talking about? You guys, look at this. I just worked my ass off to create this Instagram post, and it's just crazy the work that goes into this. Oh my god. Hi guys, it's Sunday today. Firstly, I'm like still sleepy, so ignore my sleepy face and my voice. But I have like 2 packages to open and I'm excited. So there are, wait, what? Did I just got 2 boxes of highlighter? I might just return. The next thing that I got is Protein X. I drink this on a daily basis every morning. Now let's go ahead and open this one. Bubble wrap. It's makeup. What the hype? Next turning to on Nykaa. So this is the NYX hand mirror. So I can finally now call myself an influencer because I know each and every beauty influencer has this mirror. Oh, a bag tag. What the hype? Oh shit, this is so heavy. So let me just keep this. It says NYX 2. It's like 2 number. Keep this down and you guys first see my reaction and then I'll show you guys what's inside this. So much makeup. Oh shit. What am I gonna do with so much makeup? So this is wow. So this is everything that I got. I just love the shade. Such a pretty rose gold shade. It's a jumbo eye pencil. Then I have this lip liner, eye pencil. Then I got this NYX butter gloss, a NYX soft matte lip cream. I wanted to try this out since so long. Eyeshadow palette. Then I got this Wonder Stick. I was planning to buy this because it's so convenient to travel with. First we have soft metallic lip cream, new launch. Then we have the NYX Total Control primer. I have never used their Total Control foundation, so I'm excited to see which shade is mine. We have the What the Hype mascara. Their NYX Soft and Rosy eyeshadow palette. Then we have micro contour stick. Then we have their new range of soft matte lip creams, and these are mostly all nude shades. So yeah, anyway, I'll just keep everything together and then show it to my mom, and then she'll just get mad at me because I'm just receiving a lot of makeup. But they're not helping me pay my bills. Like, you can't pay makeup with bills. So like, yeah, I am grateful that I receive such free products, but then, you know, they don't pay my bills, so it's okay. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I don't know what I'm gonna do in the evening. If I go out, then I'll vlog. If it's raining, then I won't go out. I'm planning to meet a friend. Let's see if that happens. If I don't go out, I'll just end the vlog here itself. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know there was like a lot of unboxing. I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. If you like watching my vlogs, you have to give it a big thumbs up. And also don't forget to work hard, be kind, and stay positive. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video now. Bye! If I go out, then I'll just include this at the end of the video because like I don't want to do it again. So yeah, anyway, hope you understand. Bye!